Hey, thanks for joining me for my very first wardrobe workout clothes try-on party. We're trying on Carbon 38 today. Stick around to the end to see my very favorite one and use the code JESSICAVAL20, JESSICAVAL20 for a discount on your first and second order. Link below. Done a Carbon 38 review for you guys before, and the overwhelming comment was, we want to see you try them on. So here I am trying them on just for you. And I'm starting with this because it's probably the one I get the most compliments on here on YouTube when I post and also on social media. So let's talk about the style. And as I go through, I am going to show you a lot of different kind of sizing and colors and stuff. So this is the famous Takara leggings by Carbon. Now, I wear many different workout clothes. I'm just doing a Carbon review for you now. And honestly, it's probably what I wear most in filming right now for sure. And really when I'm out and about, believe it or not. Okay, so I have high waist. Now, the Takara leggings are very popular. They are shiny, they're beautiful, lots of different colors. And you guys, they're so comfy, you won't even believe it. I mean, really, I can just move around. I will wear these with the kids during the day. They're very durable, super comfortable. They are kind of thin. And so I just like to throw that out to people. If you like a lot of compression and a really thick legging, this isn't for you, but stay tuned. I have one at the end that is absolutely my new favorite, actually. But the Takaras, they're not see-through thin, but they are thin in that they're not going to feel like a lot of compression in the legs. But what I love is when you get up to the high waist, which is always what I get actually, when you get to the high waist, there's actually quite a bit of compression. So I feel really pulled in here, which is important to me. So I always like to throw that out. And also for sizing, so I'm 5'4", I am short. If you get regular length Takaras, for the most part, they're gonna go over your ankle, and I find that, or over your heel even. I find that in almost all leggings that I wear, no matter what the brand, no matter what the style. So I tend to do two things, what I find in the Takaras that work. One is they have a 7/8 length. Awesome for people who are my height or shorter if you want them to hit like at the ankle bone, okay? So look for the 7/8 length. The thing is, they don't always have the colors I really want in the 7/8 length. So if they don't have the color you want, go for the high waist regular length, but they get the smallest size. So if you're really petite, you can do the smallest size, which is an extra, extra small in the regular length, and I find those will usually hit me in the ankle too. That's what the situation is here. So just if you're petite and short, like I am, and you don't like them over the ankle, which I don't always like, that is an option, okay? So this is the lavender color, and then this is the crop top. I have the crop in many colors as well. I like that it's loose, and with the high-waisted pants, I don't see my belly, even when I'm actually doing arm stuff here, which is a big test for me. I usually test this. If I can see my belly at the gym when I do this, I don't usually want to get a crop. But with high-waisted pants, it works perfect. This is the lavender color. It is still available. Just be warned, sometimes they change the name of the color. So just look for lavender. You will find it. Okay, so I like to wear them with my white tennies or sometimes gray. And then let me show you what I do. Hold on. Because I'm all about going from gym/work/filming to kid pickup to grocery stores to errands. So this is by Monroe. It's actually on Carbon's site also. And it is my favorite big slouchy hoodie for the season. I have worn this constantly. I wear it out and about. I wear it all the time at night. I will even wear it to bed sometimes. So I love this. I love the coverage it gives. So that's what I'll do. I'll just throw this on. Again, for kid pickup, and I feel like it's super appropriate, okay? So that is outfit number one. All right, you guys, this is another super fun Takara option. I get a lot of compliments on this as well. Red, and this is the Leopard. So you can see, I'm gonna come a little bit closer. You can probably see there's this really nice kind of subtle leopard print. They have it in red, they have it in black, I know. And then they also have kind of a crocodile snake skin print as well, but this is the Leopard. I love it. Takara high-waisted, and then you'll see this is a kind of a keyhole back, super comfortable sports bra. This too, I've sized in the smallest size because I have a very small chest, so just know that, but it's really supportive. So this would be really nice for bigger chests as well. Not all the sports bras are. The next one I'm gonna try on, you'll see, I think is better for smaller chests, but this would be really supportive no matter the size of your chest. Same length. I like it with my black tennies. And then let me show you how I go kind of from gym. So typically, like, I'm not necessarily wearing this in the gym. I'll wear this to work out at home and I'll wear it to film. But at the gym, you've heard me talk about my absolute favorite tank tops in the world are from Carbon. These are the Atom tank, and it's just a simple racer back. Okay, I love them because they're a little bit longer to cover. So this would be a really typical gym outfit for me right here, or a class outfit. And again, like if you're in a hot yoga class, perfect. Take off the tank when you're ready. And then especially you'll see lots of these. So if this was the summer, this would be my outfit to kid pickup. It's the winter here, so you just throw on a big cozy sweater. Or if you're teaching like I do, seeing clients in person, here you go. And that's what I will be out and about in numerous times throughout the winter. Okay, so another really fun color, and then I'll be done showing you the colors, but this Cobalt is what it's called, Cobalt. And I wanted to show you the difference for this. A couple things. Notice the length, okay? Can you see that? So these are going to be the regular length, and this is what it ends up looking like on me. So I still love them, but this is more kind of my yoga Pilates pants. I can pull them up to get tennis shoes on, but they definitely bunch a little because again, I'm 5'4", so that's what it is. So if you're taller, great option. These are the regular Takaras, high-waisted. And then this is a new tank they have that I love. Again, lots of coverage because it's longer. They just have white and black, and it's a racer back, super thin. It's perfect for layering, perfect for the summer and at the gym. I love it. And then this matching Cobalt bra, and it is a bandeau type bra, so it does have straps, but this is the one I was kind of talking about. I think it would be more comfortable if you do have probably a smaller size chest. Bigger size chest, I would go for that racer back or keyhole kind of style bra. And then same, I'd throw on the white or the black and then sweatshirt and go on my way. And then I have one more for you guys, okay? All right, guys, we have a lot of fun stuff going on here. First, the leggings. I just got these last week. They might be my new favorites. So they are not Takara. They're Carbon 38, but they're not Takara, so they're not shiny, and that's what I wanted. I wanted something that felt a little less like stoplight sometimes, like I'm blaring at people when I'm walking around, a little less shiny. So this is their matte legging. They're just matte black leggings, a great length for me. They hit at the ankle bone. They are high waist. They won't feel as high waisted as the Takaras. To me, they don't, but they're listed as high waisted. They have been great, and I feel like they give me just a little bit more compression. So these are just plain black leggings with kind of a matte finish is what they call it. And then let's talk about this top, because this I haven't even worn yet, but I am in love with. I'm just waiting for the right time. So this is by Celestine, but the great thing about Carbon is actually they curate so many different brands, and so you can find so many brands there. So this is Celestine, and it's a crop, and you'll see that it has this fun little detailing here, and then it has this low back. So to be honest, like I'm not wearing this to the gym. I would wear this to film because I think it's super cute and it's really comfortable. Like it gives me a lot of mobility, but I picture this, you guys, like maybe at a class with a tank top over, and then with a really high-waisted skirt and some really cute sandals out and about for dinner. Okay, that's what I see this as, and I just love how comfortable and mobile it is. So I'm gonna show you kind of how I would transform it. So this, your Atom tank can just go right over it, okay? So that would be your layer right there. So that would act as your sports bra, and like you can't even tell, right? Now I'm ready for the gym right here. So that's my sports bra. This is my layering, and then if you're in cold weather like I am, this is what I've been wearing every day for a week now. These black leggings, this camo sweatshirt by Sundry, which I got on Carbon as well, right? So totally different outfit and much more everyday for me. And then the final piece, these shoes, which I got this season, again on Carbon. So these are old school Nikes. I absolutely love them. Let me get closer so you can see if I have good balance. There we go. My old school Nikes, I wear them all the time. So this would be my favorite outfit of the bunch because this is what I'm in. I can go from the gym, I can go to work, I can go to kid pickup, and I could even go out to dinner and feel just fine and cozy and comfy. So I hope that gives you guys some ideas. I believe workout clothes should make you feel better about yourself. never, ever make you feel worse, okay? So scroll the site, carbon38.com, and you'll get a coupon from me. You get a discount on your first and second order. So awesome. So use code JessicaVal, JESSICAVAL 20 at checkout to get a discount on your first and second order. All right, guys, see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You could also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.